Well, already over 100 of our brand new boot have been ordered, and we haven't really talked about it yet. Amy Oselkin's joining us. Hey, honey.
Hi, Lisa.
Mwah. Great seeing you.
You too.
You look so cute, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
So Amy joins us with Clarks, and Clarks is a company that we know for making great shoes that are very, very comfortable and super cute. So this is a brand new boot, and this is a boot that has a lot of suede. So if you love suede, if you want a boot that's extremely, extremely comfortable, this is available in black or brown. It's brand new tonight. If you like the contrast, get the brown because the stitching is done in a contrast on the brown, and the stitching is done tonally in the black. So I'll take this way so you can just see one brown, one black. So it's really easy to compare. Lots of suede on the boot. Leather throughout. It's suede leather and it's smooth leather.
Right.
But you're seeing a lot of suede, and even though this is all this is a leather upper, it's still $109 and change, and it's 4 payments of $27 and change. Now let me tell you, this is brand new tonight. This price is only good for this show. It's the lowest price it's ever going to be, and the regular QVC price is nowhere near what you will pay for this in stores. So when you think about what you would pay for this in stores, because I know the price, because Amy told me, it's a lot higher than our QVC price is what you normally pay for it, and our one-time only value is crazy, crazy good. Oh, and here's the best news. We have it in medium and wide widths. Yay, and the angels sang. Because a lot of times, you know, I think a lot of us are kind of in between on the width of our foot, and a lot of it is just through the ball of the foot. Right. And you want to wear a thicker sock. It's nice to have the option whether you wear a wide all the time or just when you want a boot and a thicker sock. But anyway, brand new, 4 payments of easy pay. Medium width sizes 5 through 10, and then 11 and 12. Wide widths 6 through 10, and then 11 and 12 on this one. And this is such a pretty boot. Don't you love the suede?
I love this boot. I love the look of it. I love the suede. It's so soft and rich, and I do love on both of them that little bit of leather. It's actually a crinkled leather. It was crinkled all by hand. We do that in our tanneries. When it's wet, we lay it out to dry, so this gets a lot of care and love. And in the black, you see it. It gives it a little bit of depth, and in the brown, you really see that texture.
Right, because it's complemented with the top stitching, so it really, really pops.
It's such a beautiful, luxurious looking boot. And what I love about it, first of all, this is my ultimate favorite bottom. This is the Nikki bottom.
And by the way, you may go, hey, it's a whole boot and the bottom's not my source of concern. But it is, because that's what makes it comfortable for you. That's why it supports you, how it supports you, how your foot feels all day. One of the things that Clarks has built their reputation on. It's all part of the Bendables family, but this one is called the Nikki, and that refers to this bottom.
That's the bottom. It's about 1.5 inches, so you do have a little bit of lift.
Which I like.
Yes, you have that traction, that thermoplastic rubber outsole, so you're going to feel really, that's what I love. I feel very sturdy, I feel very secure, and it's bendable. So you are getting a tall riding boot, leather riding boot that is this flexible right out of the box.
By the way, I just want to let you know that we are much more limited in the brown. So we have it in black or brown, medium and wide, but much more limited in the brown. So if you want the brown, I would grab that and grab that quickly. I think that, you know, maybe in a lot of cases, if we already have a great pair of black boots in a lower heel or kind of a riding boot style, this is your perfect chance to pick up a brown. Another thing I love about it is that it does have that full inside zip.
Yes.
But most boots that zip are smaller around the calf. These are not. This is a 17-inch circumference, which is definitely larger than most around the calf, and that's a big one, because I got to tell you, I never thought I had large calves till I tried on some boots.
You know, it's not only is it a wide 17-inch circumference, it also has finger gore on the top, so you're getting even extra give. And for me, I am on the short side. I was not gifted with height. What I love about the boot is this asymmetrical top, how it's taller in the front and then it kind of dips down. I love that because behind my knee, I feel it's so comfortable. You know, I'm not running into any material. I just feel like that is such an asset. So whatever height you are, whether you're tall, whether you're short, this boot is really going to feel comfortable and look great.
Well, you know, I was just going to put it on because I have more of a muscular calf. Now, these girls are beautiful. Hi, Colleen and Rachel. They have smaller calves than I do. I have a very muscular calf, and a lot of boots don't fit in my calf. It's a little depressing. I know, I never thought that they were large till I tried on boots, and when half of them don't fit, I'm forced to realize, wow, yeah, I don't have muscular calves. These really fit nicely. I have plenty of room up here at the top. It's not uncomfortable at all. It still has that complete zip on the inside, and this is all this soft cush on the inside. It's so comfortable and soft. The fabric, the bendables is not just bendable on the sole, but that means it's this soft, isn't that nice? All on the inside, but the zip means that it still has a nice fit around the ankle, but plenty of room around the calf.
And you even get that little extra bit around the calf, because this is finger gore, so it's going to give you even that little extra that you need. And it's really beautiful with all the details. It's hidden. You can't even tell that this is gore right here.
Right.
You've got the great buckle details. These are more for decorative. They're
fashion.
Yes, they are fashionable. This is just, to me, that boot when you look in your closet and you're like, what don't I have? I don't have a tall suede riding boot. We've presented riding boots together, but not so much suede, and I think that gives it a very different look. It's very wearable, and
but I also think, you know, this season there are a lot of longer tops and jeggings, leggings, skinny jeans, a lot of things you want to tuck in. Besides giving you room for your calf, if you want to tuck in a legging or a jegging, if it's already tight around your calf, then all you can wear it with is tights. So I like the fact that it gives you that room for that as well. I love the fact that we have it in the medium and the wide widths. Over 700 pairs already ordered. Don't forget, if you want a wide width, those sizes always sell out first.
Definitely.
Always, because women who need that just have fewer options, and they are very frustrated. So when they see something really cute and it comes in, you know, in your size, you need a wide, you're not going to think about it. You know, you're going to jump on it quickly, especially when it's that price.
And especially that it's a boot. This isn't a sandal. A boot is harder to fit. So the fact that we're giving that option.
You got to fit a lot more of you.
Yes. Well, and you know, it's covering a lot more. So you really do want to make sure the fit is as close as possible. I wore mine yesterday, my Nikki boots. I wore them in today also, and when I got home, I didn't even take them off, and I realized at like 10:30 at night, I was like, wait, I'm still wearing my shoes.
Wait a minute. I just
because they're they're so comfortable. They feel good on.
And the thing that amazes me is typically when you see a pair of boots for under $200, you assume they are not leather.
Oh, yeah.
You know, that's my first assumption. I'm thinking, well, they must not be leather. They're under $200. These are leather. This is all leather. This is a suede leather. This is a smooth leather. All this upper is leather. So when you see the way that this has this wonderful fabric on the inside, it's not a fabric boot. This is a fabric inside the leather.
And there are so many designers right now doing these high suede boots. They even do like the 50-50, which is half suede and half nylon on the back, and those are the price of those to get this value and this much material and this much soft material. It's so smooth and buttery.
And you know, one thing I will say, whenever you have a suede boot, if you want to make it water resistant, just put a spray on it.
Yes.
It's very simple, but whenever you have a suede boot, remember that. That's going to be one thing that's a little bit different, not complicated, but a good thing to remember. But there's a softness about suede. It's a very, very hot look for this season. There's just something comfortable. There's something rich about the suede, and I think it is one of the fresh looks that we're seeing for this year. And I love the fact that we have it in medium and wide widths. I know we're busy on the phone line, so I would definitely get the size that you want early. And I also love the fact that we have it in the black and the brown, because in a lot of cases, it's only black. I mean, you see a pair of boots and you're going, okay, I love those, but I was really looking for brown. Do you have any brown? No, we just have black. They're both great colors, but brown's tough to find.
Brown is so hard to find, and a brown suede tall riding boot in medium and wide. You know, we really, the Nikki boot is really one of our most popular boots in all of our stores, but there's no way in our store in Manhattan that if someone came in and said, I want a great brown boot, that I would, one, have it in their size, have it in that width, have it in that color. We really do bring the best assortment to QVC.
And by the way, at the store in New York, it's not $109 and change.
No.
And they don't do easy pay.
No.
It's a great store, but they don't do those things. So do you not realize that there's really only 10 days till Christmas?
I can't believe it.
Fewer than 10 days until Christmas?
Yeah.
And with a credit card, not only do you, I know it's just a little depressing, not only do you save the money and get the easy pay, but you get it in time for Christmas. as well.
Look how smart they look. It's two very different looks. One is very sophisticated. I could definitely see this look in the office that Colleen is wearing. And then you have this very like hip, funky, fashion-forward look with the jeggings and the blazer. And it's such a great, it really is a slimming boot. I really think because of this great little dip that you have at the top, this great asymmetrical movement that you're getting with the leather and the suede combination.
You know what's so funny that reminds me of? You know, the over-the-knee boots that have been in the last couple of years. Well, if you have short legs,
you can't.
That's not your look.
I have short
I know that
legs.
because I have pretty, I mean, for my frame, I have short legs. I'm all body, no legs. And so when I try to wear those, it's, I mean, I have to be so careful about what I wear with it, and there's only a couple I can wear, and it's almost non-existent because it's just not my look. If you don't have long legs, then you're really going to have to be careful with that. So this, you know, again, even if you're saying, you know what, I don't have long legs, I'm not always comfortable in a tall shaft boot, but I really want one for the fashion and I want it for the look. The fact that it has that dip, that's very forgiving. By the way, over half of our quantity is already gone. Wow. So if you want it, I would grab it quickly. I do think it's just, you know what, there's a certain, it's interesting because there are so many movies. This is going to be a weird analogy, but stick with me. I love Christmas movies. I have most of them on DVD, but I don't really get around to watching them as often as I want to, but if I catch it on television, I stop everything and watch that movie. There's something about knowing you were just in the right place at the right time. Right. There's just an energy of, oh my gosh, I can't miss it. I have the DVD over there, but I don't care. I can't miss it on TV right now. And that's kind of, that's what a one-time only value is. I mean, it's literally, you were in the right place at the right time. You took advantage. You just, you know, you were lucky. You were here. You love the boot. It's you. You're getting the best price on it that anybody will ever get. You're getting the easy pay. You're getting it in time for Christmas with a credit card, and you're all good.
And the fact that at Clark's, we're all about art and science. So the fact that you're getting such a beautiful boot, I mean, think about it. New Year's is coming. You have all these outfits that you wore in 2012 that are great, but you kind of want to breathe new life into them, maybe a fresh take. This is such a great boot. It really is going to transform and elevate your outfit. There's nothing we really didn't think about. We got the fashion covered, we got the comfort covered, and we just got that on-trend, smart-looking, I need a great flat boot done.
I do think that, you know, a really good flat boot is what you're going to live in. I love a pair of high heels as much as the next girl. I cannot live in them.
No.
You know, those are once in a while. These are all the time. This is what you invest in because we all think about, I mean, if I'm going to go really, really invest in something that's a substantial investment, I want to make sure I'm going to get my wear out of it. I want to make sure it's going to get my money's worth. So even if these were twice as much, you would more than get your money's worth. The value is insane, but you know you're going to get your money's worth because you're going to live in those every day. That's going to be, you know, what you wear with your skinny jeans and your leggings and your jeggings. You could even, depending on how the jean is cut, put a jean over it. Sure, you know, like a boot cut or more of a flare. But you're gonna wear it with skirts. You're gonna wear it with dresses and tights. By the way, we started out with over 3,300 pairs of these. Only 1,200 remaining. We are losing several of our wide width sizes in the black and the brown. Those always go first. So we're starting out with medium 5 to 10 plus 11 and 12 in the medium width. In wide, 6 to 10 plus 11 and 12 in the wide width. Black or brown. This is the lowest price it will ever be. It's on a really, really great easy pay. It's a beautiful pair of boots. They're going to make your feet feel really good while you look really good. A 226745. Stay on the line for that one. That is the first of our one-time only values in this show. We actually have two of them.